Today's lesson introduces different paragraph types used in English writing. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one main idea. Each type of paragraph has a different purpose, and understanding the purpose helps a writer choose the right structure. A descriptive paragraph paints a picture with words. It focuses on how something looks, sounds, feels, smells, or tastes. Writers use specific details and vivid language to help the reader imagine a person, place, object, or scene. A narrative paragraph tells a story or describes an event in order. It usually includes characters, actions, and a sequence of events. Time words such as first, then, later, and finally help the reader follow the movement of the story. An expository paragraph explains facts, ideas, or processes. Its goal is to teach or inform. It often gives clear definitions, examples, and logical explanations without personal opinion. A persuasive paragraph tries to convince the reader to agree with a viewpoint or take action. It presents reasons, evidence, and sometimes emotional language to support an argument. Strong persuasive writing often ends with a clear call to action. A compare and contrast paragraph shows similarities and differences between two or more things. It helps the reader understand how items are alike and how they are different. Writers may organize it by point or by subject. A cause and effect paragraph explains why something happened and what happened as a result. This type is useful for showing relationships between events, decisions, or conditions. A process paragraph gives step-by-step instructions. It explains how to do something in a clear order so the reader can follow the directions successfully. When choosing a paragraph type, the writer should ask one question: what is the goal of this paragraph? If the goal is to describe, tell, explain, persuade, compare, explain results, or give instructions, the structure should match that purpose. Learning paragraph types makes writing clearer, more organized, and easier for readers to understand.